Samy the rabbit lived in a magical forest where everything was bright and colorful. One sunny morning, as he hopped along the cobblestone path, he saw a glowing bag of carrots lying under a giant toadstool. The bag glistened with a magical cloud surrounding it, making it sparkle like 1,000 stars. Samy's big, curious eyes widened, and his little heart raced with excitement and wonder. While he knew the bag of carrots could be useful for him, Samy remembered his mother's words about doing the right thing. The magical cloud around the bag seemed to whisper a secret, urging caution. With a deep breath, Samy decided to find the owner of the carrots. As he ventured deeper into the forest, the cheerful chirping of birds and the rustling leaves created a lively yet mysterious background melody. After some time, Samy found a worried little rabbit sitting by a stream, tears glistening in her eyes. Samy's brave heart knew what he had to do. "Excuse me, did you lose a bag of carrots?" he asked gently. The little rabbit looked up, hope shining in her eyes. "Yes, I did. It's very special to me. Thank you for finding it." Samy's kindness and bravery glowed in his smile as he handed over the bag. The little rabbit's gratitude flowed through her warm hug, creating a heartwarming scene. In the end, the forest seemed to come alive with joy. The little rabbit gave Samy a magical flower that glowed like a rainbow as a token of her thanks. The vibrant lights and enchanting music filled the air, celebrating the power of honesty and friendship. As the scene closed, Samy and his new friend stood in the glow, their spirits high. The screen then displayed a thoughtful question: what would you do if you were Samy? Engaging viewers to reflect on the lesson of the story.